And I think one of the lessons of COVID should be about getting our kitchens to be more gender neutral. I mean, आज हमारे workforces में we have a whole lot of women, but we don't see as many men working in the kitchen. Thank you. And now that you're clapping, I want to give
I'm sure you say this every time in every setting, right? Because I cannot
But
see
I mean it.
a sentence that will never draw an applause like this one.
ये सबसे weakest applause था, But I also want to say that one of the things that we should, as women, be careful about is we must ensure that we are not blaming our husband's mother for our husband's behavior. उसके माँ ने उसको कुछ सिखाया नहीं. अगर आपने किसी adult के साथ में शादी किया है तो adult का responsibility है to learn के इस दौरान मुझे क्या करना चाहिए. It's not his mother's responsibility. क्या सिखाएगी. So it is only and only your husband's fault. It is also your fault that you got carried away. पहले 7-8 महीने तो बहुत मजा आया. Yeah, so I think we should at least know how and where to pin the blame so that each one of us is responsible towards our health and happiness and fitness, and kitchen is an important part of staying fit.